Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook Reels keep star not showing. Certain features including tipping or giving stars might not be available in all regions due to legal or regulatory reasons. Check if this feature is available in your location. And account eligibility. Ensure your account meets the eligibility criteria set by Facebook or receiving stars. After that, monetization policies. Make sure you are in compliance with Facebook monetization policies. Violation can lead to withholding of certain features. After that, verify your payment setting. Go to your Facebook setting and check if you have set up your payment information correctly. You may need to link payment to receive stars. Star batch requirements. For users to send stars during a live stream, they need to have the star batch enabled. Ensure this feature is enabled in your live setting. Review community standards. Make sure your content to Facebook community standards. Violations may result in the removal of certain features. If none of the above steps, or consider reaching out to Facebook support directly for assistance. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.